Hello everyone. So in this video, we will continue our discussion on predicate logic, specifically on the translation of predicate logic symbols into an English sentence, or from English sentence into predicate logic symbols. So I will share my screen. Okay, so we have already discussed about quantifiers. So now we will translate from English to logic. So in this example, we have translate the following sentence into predicate logic. Every student in this class has taken a course in Java. So we first decide on the domain U. So if U is all the students in this class, all the students in this class is our domain. So define a propositional function. So for example, J of X, denoting that X has taken a course in Java. So atong J of X, atong predicate, maoning X has taken a course in Java. So to translate this English, so ang atong J of X kay X has taken a course in Java man. So niingon man ta diri nga every student. So all student. So mo nang makaingon ta nga for all X. Ang X kay student man in this class. Then the domain katong tanang students in this class. So ang atong predicate J of X. So for all X, J of X. So for all students, each of them have taken the course in Java. Okay? So, but if you is all people, if you gani kay all people na, also define a propositional function S of X, in which S of X or ang X na to is a student in this class. So, ang S of X, pasabot nga student in this class. And this translates to, for all X, if S of X, then J of X. Kung student gani siya sa class, then he has taken a course in Java. Okay? So, kung maingon gani og dili siya pwede i-and, kay unsa may pasabot sa for all X, S of X, and J of X. So, for all, ang X na to kay people man, all people are student in this class and has taken a course in Java. Diba? Kay S of X is a student in this class. So, tanan kintahing people kay student in this class. Unya, nag-take pod og Java nga course. Pero kaning sa ibabaw, implication man ni. So, if X is a student in this class, therefore, X has taken a course in Java. So, tanang for all X nga student in this class. Then, X has taken a course in Java. So, mo na siya translation. Another. So, translate the following sentence into predicate logic. So, we have here the keyword some. So, some student in this class has taken a course in Java. So, first, decide on the domain U. So, if U gani nato is all students in this class, we can translate that there exists an X such that J of X. So, there exists a student in this class that has taken a course in Java. But if U is all the people, ang U gani nato ang atong domain kay all people, then translate as there exists an X such that S of X and J of X. So there exists a person, one of the people that is a student in this class and has taken a course in Java. Okay? Nganong dili man siya there exists an X if S of if X is S of X, then J of X. Anong dili man? Kay naa kunoy nag-exist nga X such that when S of X is, if student gani siya sa class, then nag-take na siya og Java class. So, dili siya pareha aning student sa class nga nag-take og Java class. Kay if, then man ni siya nga statement. Okay? Now, we will return to the Socrates nga example sa first slide na to ani nga topic. So, we introduce the propositional functions man of X, denoting that X is a man, and mortal of X, denoting that X is mortal. Okay? So, specify the domain as all people. So, the two premises are for all X, if man of X, or if X is a man, then X is mortal. So, ang man, therefore, man, if man is, Socrates is a man, so ang X gipulihan og Socrates. Then, the conclusion is, gipulihan man ni Socrates si man, kaning X. Therefore, mortal si Socrates. So, kanina po, pulihan na po ni Socrates. So, mortal si Socrates. Kay this one is proven to be true, then this must also be true. Okay, so later we will show how to prove that the conclusion follows from the premises. Okay, another topic here is equivalences in predicate logic. Okay, so we have statements involving predicates and quantifiers that are logically equivalent. So when are they logically equivalent? If and only if they have the same truth value. Pareha sa katong propositional logic, no? Kay logically equivalent sila if they have the same truth value for all rows in the truth table. So, for every predicate substituted into these statements, then for every domain of this course used for the variables in expression. So, we say, we use the notation S is equivalent to T. Kaning tulo ka linya, no? Indicates that S and T are logically equivalent. So, we say here, example, kaning for all X, not S of X is just equal to for all X, S of X. O, kabantay mo ani, dito nis katong equivalence sa kanang logical expression. Diba, duha ka not, no, ni siya double negation or double complement, mahimo ra gyapon ng positive. So, ma-reduce na siya into ing ani. Okay? So, you think about quantifiers as conjunction and disjunction. So if the domain is finite, a universally quantified proposition is equivalent to a conjunction. Okay, conjunction siya ang equivalent, no? Kay for all x, p of x, dapat if ang atoang domain is 1, 2, ug 3, dapat si p of 1 through CP of 2 true po, CP of 3. Kay dapat silang tanan. Kay for all x man. Pero og there exists an x, pwede CP of 1 ra, CP of 2, or CP of 3 ra ang true. Any one of them, true gani, true na ni siya nga statement. So they are logically equivalent. Kani siya to ani, then kani to ani. Okay, so even if the domains are infinite, you can still think of the quantifiers in this fashion, but equivalent expressions without quantifiers will be infinitely long. Okay, mao na nga, kani jud ato ang gamiton nga quantifiers kaysa magtagsa-tagsa kag butang nga nag-and. Dunya P of 4 na, P of kuan for all integers kinta imong domain. So daghan kay kag ipangbutang diri. Whereas kaning magamit kag quantifier, mamubo na imuhang notation. Okay. Now, how do we negate quantified expressions? Okay, so mura ra ba po ni siya og katong De Morgans. Diba? Sa De Morgans, kanang naay i-distribute nimo ang negative. So consider for all x, j of x. So natay every student in your class has taken a course in Java. So here j of x is x has taken a course in Java. Mo ni atong j of x. And the domain is students in your class. Okay, so negating the original statement gives, it is not the case that every student in your class has taken Java. So this implies that there is a student in your class who has not taken Java. So kani siya, dili ko no tanang student sa akong class nga nag-take og Java, course in Java. So, ang equivalent ana niya, kaning there is a student. So, there is X who has not taken Java. Mauna siya equivalent. Not taken Java. So, not for all, not, no, kaning not niya for all x, j of x is equal to there exists an x, not j of x. Sa inyo nabantayan, ang for all na himong there exist, unya ang negation na ana dire sa predicate. Okay? So, example for all, ingana man na, no? For all p of x, for all x p of x is equivalent to there exists an x not p of x. So, ingana na siya. Ang imuhang for all na himong there exists, unya ang negation na dire sa predicate nimo. So now we consider there exists an x, j of x. So there is a student in this class who has taken a course in Java. So mao na siya equivalent ani nga statement. Where j of x has taken a course in Java. There exists X, so student in his class that has taken a course in Java. So, unsa may negation ana. So, inig-negate mo, it is not the case that there is a student in this class who has taken Java. So, kani, there exists a student. Ug imong balihon, walay student nga nag-take course in Java. So, unsa may equivalent anang inat ni siya, ibalihon ni siya, inegate. So, for all x or every student in this class has not taken Java, mo na iyang equivalent kani siya. Bali ra gihapon no. So ang there exists na himong for all unya ang negation niabot na diri sa predicate. Okay, so mura ra po siya di Morgans nga ang negation gi-distribute nga unya ang and nahimong or nahimong and. So think of there exists og for all nga mura siya and og or nga i-negate nimo mahimong mabali siya ang there exists mahimong for all, ang for all mahimong there exists. Then kani siyang j of x mao man ni katong murag propositions or variables ninyo. So mao na inat na dayon inig-distribute. Okay? So mao na siya no ang rules for negating quantifiers. So ang negation mao ni siya equivalent. So for every x, p of x is false. Okay? Then when false, there is an x for which p of x is false or is true. Then kanina pong for all x, p of x, ang negation niya is there exists an x such that not p of x. Or there exists an x for which p of x is false. Niya, ma-false siya kung p of x is true for every x. Okay? So, mauna siya. So, kani siya equivalent ani, then this one is equivalent to this. Okay? Next. So, we will translate from English to logic. So, this one, some student in this class has visited Mexico. Student in this class has visited Mexico. So, ang atong m of x, atong predicate, mao ni iyahang notation. X has visited Mexico. If mayroon kag m of x, this means x has visited Mexico. And s of x denote x is a student in this class. Okay, so x is a student in this class pertains to s of x. And u will be all people. So, sa u, all people. So, inig-translate ana, some students, so moingon kag there exists an x nga student in this class nga ni visit sa Mexico. So, S of x and M of x. Na ay, there exists an x. Okay, there exists someone who is a student in this class at the same time naka-visit sa Mexico. Okay, so this is the translation from this statement. Okay, another. Every student in this class has visited Canada or Mexico. So, nagka-visit sa Canada, meaning C of X. Naka-visit sa Mexico, M of X. So, unsa man na? For all student, for all X, okay, so tanang tao, if student gani ka sa class, in this class, either naka-visit na ka sa Mexico or sa Canada. So, this is the meaning of the statement. Diba? Every student in this class, o ni atong X kay all people man. So, nang if student gani ka sa class, then naka-visit na ka sa Mexico or sa Canada. So, mo na siya for all X nga student sa class. Itong X is people. If student ka sa class, mo na every student in this class na yan. Mo na siya diri sa S of X. Okay, so this needs some practice to really understand this translation from English to logical expressions. So we have here tong U or atong domain kay fligels, may snards, and tigamabobs. Thingamabobs. So f of x is meaning x is a figgle. S of x is a snard. And p of x meaning x is a thingamabob. How do we translate everything is a figgle? Everything is a figgle. Okay? Yung kag everything, for all siguro no? For all. Unya, x. For all x. Sakay sunod. F of x. Okay? F of x na yun. Kay everything is a figure. So, x is a figure man. So, for all x, f of x. Okay? Yan na pod. Fligles, snards of thingamabobs. Thingamabobs. Nothing is a snort. Okay. Saon kaha ni siyang nothing is a snort. Nothing. Sa mana ha? Atong balihon ang nothing for all x. Pero dili sila snarl. So not s of x. Okay? Or this is equivalent to there is parihara na siya aning statement, di ba? Kay there exists man ni unya ginat. Nothing is a snarl. So kani siyang there exists ang binali niya kay inegate nimo nothing, then is a snarl. This is just equal to for all x, di ba? Inig De Morgan's nimo for all x, not s of x. Okay, so equivalent ra na sila. Okay, so ang simplified one is this. Ang imuhang negation to ana sa predicate. Okay? Okay, kana siya. How do we create a logical expression for this? All fligles are snards. Grabe no. For all x, all naman na. For all x, then if f of x, then s of x. Sakto ba ka ha? Okay. So for all x, if x is a fliggle, then it is a snarl. Muna yung meaning ana. All fliggles are snarls. Tanan ko ng fliggles, if fliggle gani ka, then you are a snarl. Okay? Another, some fliggles are thingamabobs. Some man siya, so gamit yung kag there exist. And then, sa kaisunod, there exists an x such that some fliggles. So if some fliggles are thingabobs. Unsa kay sud ana? Oh, parehan is ganina sa naa sa class nga nag-take og Java. No, so there exists an X. Fligos is f of x, no? Naay mga fligos unya thingabobs pod sila. Thingamabobs di ay. And kay di man ingon nga if legal siya thingabobs na dayon siya, naaray uban nga legal og thingabobs sila. Okay? No nerd is a thingabob. Pareha na po ni ganina. Exist an X nga ginat. Mura na siya gana. Nya pwede po siya for all X nga not. Pero sa kakaisod. Okay, the answer is not there exists an X. Okay, so nothing mo ni nothing na S of X and T of X. Walay snerd nga thingabobs. Okay? Walay snerd nga thingabobs. So, usa kay equivalent ani? Not man siya. So, for all X, saman. Imo nang isodiha, inat ni mo. Not S of X. Sakto? Sunod. De Morgans. Okay? Let's see. Okay, so we apply De Morgans. So inig De Morgans ni mo ani no kaninga part. Mao na ni siya. Sige atong tanggalon sa ning uban. So kani let's ana man tuon na no for all x not unya S of X and T of X. Pero og kaning not, imo nang i-distribute diri sa sod, kato na pong De Morgans, mo na ni siya. Ang not, nahay mo na diring not S of X. Unya, ang and, nahimong or. Unya, ang not, diri na po sa T of X. Diba? De Morgans, katong A and B of inat equal to not A or not B. Or kanina pong A or B, ug inat nimo, it's not A and not B. Okay, mo na nga dapat tinumduman ninyo tong logic, propositional logic because it will still apply in predicate logic. Okay? Okay, this is one. If any Lego is a snarl, if any Lego, so tanang Lego is a snarl, then it is also a thingamabog. Thingamabog. O, sige, unsaon na siya pag-solve. So for all x, if any Lego, Lego is a snarl, then it is also a thingamabog. Ano? So, kani siya giuna sa ni ang Fligol nga na-snurred and then, mo manig if nga side, then it is also a thingamabog. Okay? So, we have here another example. So, or this is an application to a system specification. So, This predicate logic is applicable to specifications of our software requirements. So for example, we translate this into a predicate logic. Every mail message larger than 1 megabyte will be compressed. Kana siya. Every mail message na larger than 1 megabyte, then it will be compressed. If a user is active, at least one network link will be available. Okay, so mao ni atong mga predicates. L of my, B, mail message M is larger than Y megabytes. Okay, then atong C of M, which is mail message M will be compressed. Okay, compressed ang message. Then A of U represent user U is active. So there is a user that is active. Then L, let S of NX represent network link N is state X. So, sama ng state X available. Okay? SNX. So we have here our first statement, every mail message. So for all M, di ba? Ang M kay message. Di ba? If the message is larger than 1 megabyte, asa man tong larger than 1 megabyte, kaning L, M, Y. So L, message is larger than 1 megabyte, mo na ni siya. Then, that message will be compressed. So, mo na ni if, then, napudre, C of M. The message will be compressed. Okay, again, for all M, for all message na, no? Then, if larger gani siya sa 1 megabyte, so ang atong message larger than 1, kaya di ba ang Y diri is 1 na, gipulihan na og 1 na siya. Then, ato ang i-compress ang message. Sana siya. Now, the second statement, okay, if a user is active, meaning if naaga ni user, so there exists a user, yun na siya. So, if there exists a user nga active, so asa man ang active dapit dira? AU nga active. EU A of U, then at least one network. So asa man to ang there exists a network, di ba? That is, so ganito is network link is in state X. So network kaning N, mo ning N, no, network link N is available. So meaning ang state niya is ang S diri o ang X gipulihan og available. Kaya ang state niya is available. So there exists U such that A of U. So ang A of U is meaning user is active. So if active gani, naa gani active, then naay link nga N nga available ang iyang state. So network link N is in state nga available. Okay? So in this example, Lewis Carroll example, we have here first two are premises. Then the third is called the conclusion. Okay? So all lions are fierce. Some lions do not drink coffee. So ang third conclusion na daw, some fierce creatures do not drink coffee. Okay? So, di ba ang all lions are fierce or all lions, they are fierce daw. But some lions do not drink coffee. So, ang kaning some lions, gipulihan og some fierce creatures. Nga naman, kani si some lion kay fierce creature man ni siya according to this first statement. Then, nakakonclude siya nga, some fierce creatures do not drink coffee. Because some fierce creatures refers to some lions. And then, some lions do not drink coffee. So, meaning, na ay mga fierce creatures nga dili mo drink of coffee. Okay, so how do we translate that into a predicate logic? So, ang P of X na to, kay ang X is a lion. Ang Q of X na to, kay X is fierce. Ang R of X drinks coffee. Okay. So, asa may ato ang kuan ani. So, for all X, if P of X, unsa maning P of X gani? X is a lion. So, for all X, for all creatures na, if lion, if lion gani ka, then you are fierce. Mo ni siya first statement. Okay? Then, there exists X. So, there are some X nga lion and but do not drink coffee. So, not R of X is do not drink coffee, no? So, mao ni siya second statement nga equivalent. Then, last one, there exists an X. So, some X na siya nga Q of X nga fierce and do not drink coffee. So, some fierce creatures do not drink coffee. Okay? So, kani siyang 1, 2, 3, gi-convert na siya into kani nga predicate logic. Hey, so this one we will use this type of kana na ay say tawagan ng proving nga. From this one, from these two, we can conclude number 3. Later on, we will apply that. Okay, so that's it for this video, and we will continue our discussion in our next video. Thank you for listening.